Hello viewers, I am Ayuade Adedeji Moses. I'm a clinical nutritionist and a nutritional consultant at Adidams Nutrition Consult. I want to appreciate all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all. Today, I'll be talking about top 5 foods that you should eat or consume.
These are the top 5 foods you need to consume. If you are not consuming them on a regular basis, I want to implore you to start consuming them now. 1. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins such as vitamin A, C, K, and Bs. They are also rich in minerals such as calcium, selenium, manganese, and iron. They contain antioxidants such as alpha and beta carotene, lycopene, and lutein. Phytochemicals such as cryptozanthine, zeaxanthin, carotenoids, lutein, and flavonoids are present in green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables can reduce the risk of developing hypertension, obesity, heart disease, insomnia, aging, and cancer. Examples of green leafy vegetables include African spinach, which is also known as efo tete, Lagos spinach, also called efo shoko, water leaf, which is bure, Malabar spinach, which is aminotutu, and we also have pumpkin leaf, which is ugu. Number 2, salmon. Salmon is a fish which is a very rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It is densely rich in protein, vitamin D, B12, selenium, and potassium. Salmon has 4,123 mg of omega-3 fatty acids per serving. Consumption of salmon could help reduce the occurrence of inflammation, heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. They are good immune system boosters. Substitutes of salmon that can be consumed also are mackerel and sardines. They are both high in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Number 3, soybeans. Soybean is a plant protein that contains all essential proteins. It is a complete protein. It can be taken as milk, soup, and other forms. Soybeans are rich in calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, thiamine, vitamin C, and folate. It contains phytochemicals such as isoflavones, genistein, saponins, beta-sitosterol, and daidzein. It has beneficial effects on helping to lower the risk of hyperlipidemia, heart disease, cholesterol, obesity, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Number 4, citrus fruit. This class of fruit has been overlooked by many. It should form part of a meal and diet at table. Fruits under this category include grapefruit, pomelos, limes, lemons, oranges, tangerines, tangelo, and clementine. They are densely rich and good source of vitamin C. They contain potassium, copper, calcium, vitamin B6, phosphorus, magnesium, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid. They contain phytochemicals such as flavonoids, tannins, acetophenols, carotenoids, and terpenoids. They are densely rich in fiber. They are low in calories. They have great health benefits such as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It improves bowel movement and aid digestion. They help in weight loss. They help to lower cholesterol levels. They can help reduce the risk of diseases such as cancer, kidney stones, heart disease, stroke, and neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. It is advisable to eat citrus fruit as whole fruit than taking it in a form of fruit juice. Number 5. Spices such as ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are foods that are available in dried, fresh, or powdered form. Both ginger and turmeric are very good source of iron, manganese, vitamin B6, copper, potassium, fiber, zinc, calcium, and beta-carotene. Turmeric has a natural antioxidant called curcumin, while ginger has a powerful antioxidant called gingerol. They are highly nutritious and safe when eaten as a whole, either fresh, dried, or in powdered form. Taking them in supplements may give higher doses, which may give possible side effects. These are the benefits of taking ginger and turmeric. They help to ease stomach upset and aid digestion. They help reduce inflammation. They can help to reduce or lower risk of type 2 diabetes. They can help to reduce or lower risk of cancer. They help in anti-aging. They help to reduce pain during menstruation. They can help prevent cold and flu. They help to boost the immune system of an individual. They can help to reduce the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. They can help to delay or reverse neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer's disease. They help to improve mood, thereby helping treating depression. They are also good for the skin. These are the top 5 foods you should eat for optimal healthy living. Thank you for viewing this video. I am Adedeji Moses Ayuade. I am a clinical nutritionist and a nutritional consultant at Adidams Nutrition Consult. Please subscribe to this channel. I want you to like and share this video